Alright, these rechargeable AA batteries have been exactly what I needed for the solar lights on my front lawn. They charge during the day and keep the lights running smoothly at night. Now, I was sent these nickel MH rechargeable AA batteries by JiajaX, and the first thing I did was install them into my outdoor solar lights. The fit is the same as standard AA batteries, so they drop right in without any adjustments. Right here, you can see the lights placed along the lawn, and the batteries inside begin storing solar energy as soon as the sun hits the panels. The 600 milliamp hour capacity keeps them powered throughout the evening without dimming too quickly. You can use these for pathway lights, garden lights, string lights, or anything that runs on AA rechargeable batteries. They also work as regular household AA rechargeables, which makes them useful for more than just outdoor setups. The batteries are designed to handle repeated charging cycles, and they recharge automatically each day through the solar panels. They hold more capacity than the small low power batteries that come with most solar lights, so the brightness stays more consistent at night. If you want a simple replacement that keeps solar lights running longer and more reliable, these JiajaX AA batteries do the job well.